Another tool that we use in the measure phase is the FMEA, Failure Mode and Effects Analysis. It is a methodical risk analysis tool that helps us to quantify risks within our process. We talked earlier about the cause and effect or fishbone diagram. There is a relationship between failure modes and fishbone diagram. There are certain terms associated with failure mode and effects analysis. The failure mode itself, what goes wrong, the effect of that, how do we determine it, or what's the symptom of it, what is the cause of that failure mode. Using the FMEA tool, we may come up with several causes for any given effect. And current controls are what we have currently in place to either detect or prevent that failure from occurring. We're able to measure the effect of a failure mode using a severity scale. What is the impact of that effect on the process? That scale is from 1 to 10. Next is occurrence. How often or what is the frequency of that failure mode occurring? And then detection. Again, on a scale of 1 to 10, what do we have currently in place to either prevent or detect that failure mode from occurring? There are 3 types of FMEAs. The design FMEA is used in the design of a product, process, and service in order to prevent the failure modes and minimize the risk when going into manufacturing and assembly. The process FMEA is for existing products, processes, and services and allows us to identify risk using real-time data. And then the system FMEA is the high-level FMEA for the entire system itself, multiple steps within a process. You can see here there are 10 steps to FMEA. Again, it is a risk analysis tool. What we're doing is quantifying that risk using something called an RPN. The RPN is a risk priority number. You can see that in steps 7 and 10. The risk priority number is calculated by multiplying severity times occurrence times detection. The highest RPN you can have is 1,000, 10 times 10 times 10. The lowest RPN you can have is 1, 1 times 1 times 1.